Let's make a bed for a doll. I know this is a pretty basic, simple thing, but it's been highly requested, and I also think it can be really cool if you give it another level of detail. First, I'm going to take some foam board. This piece has a grid on the back, which makes it kind of easier to cut. I start by sketching out the shape that I want the end of the bed to be. Then I'm going to carefully cut this out with an Xacto knife. I'm going to measure a piece that's the same size for the headboard. And again, cut this out. I ended up recutting that because it kind of had trash cuts. This is what I mean by that. If you don't want to use foam board, you can also use cardboard and cover it in paper. Now I'm going to cut a large rectangle for the main frame of the bed. This rectangle should be long enough for your doll to lay on, considering it's a bed for the doll. I sketch out a design on a piece of paper for what I want the legs of the bed to look like. I cut it out, and then I'm going to trace it onto foam board 4 times, and then cut that out with an Xacto knife. Now I'm going to glue that main huge rectangle to the footboard. Same with the headboard on the other end. Then I glued the legs under the 4 bottoms of the bed, in the corners. Right now, this looks pretty uncomfortable, so let's make a mattress and some bedding. I cut a piece of felt the size of the bed. It doesn't matter what color, it's just going to be underneath. And then a large rectangle of cotton fabric. I'm going to embroider some squigglies on this to make it look like a soft comforter. Okay, that's actually pretty good. Now I take this big piece of squishy foam and lay this thing that I did on top of it. Flip it over. Oh, this is because it was lumpy and I cut it to make it smooth. And glue the sides around it. This is going to be a mattress. With the corners, I tuck them over and then glue the rest on the bottom. Nice and squishy. To make the mattress, now let's make some sheets and blankets. I cut a rectangle of cotton fabric. It's a little larger than the bed. It's a little larger so that I can fold over and hem the sides. Then it looks like this. I picked the fabric that I want for the blanket, cut a large rectangle out of it, and the same size one out of white fabric. Stack the 2 fabrics on top of each other and then put some stuffing on top, then sew all the way around the edge but leave an opening. Turn it inside out and sew the opening closed to make a soft comforter. To make a pillow, I cut a large rectangle out of white fabric, fold it in half and sew along 2 sides. Leave this side open. Turn it inside out. Fill it with stuffing. And sew the opening closed. Then make more. And some more. For a super cozy, realistic bed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell us what you thought, and what kind of videos you want to see. Also follow us on Instagram. See you next time.
Ooh. To go in Sabine's room and get those eclairs, I'll say, "This is Nick, so she won't do anything." Hey Sabine, it's Nick.
No, it's not.
Fine, it's Icicle, and I'm picking your eclairs! See you later, chump!
3, 2, 1.
Why'd you be in the same spot every day? I'm out of here!
I like the look on his face when he doesn't get them. That fishing wire that he tripped on wasn't even see-through. What a fool. He's too stupid to ever learn.